Okay, all my little chickies are hungry, including Mr. Richard. But I got my weapon. You need to go now. We're going to have this little lettuce bowling. Come on, baby. Come on, babies. I got something for you. Yes, I do. Richard. Y'all ready? Fixing to sling this. Nobody went after it. Hello? We were playing bowling with the chickens. Y'all come over here and see about it. Come here. Come here. Don't be getting up on me, boy. Oh, this one likes it. Y'all ready? Here we go. Oh, they about to get it now. Go on. Come on. Oh, come on. Well, that ain't working. That's not doing worth the flip. Y'all get over here and eat your lettuce. Yeah, look at that. That's good. Send some over there to old boy over there. Ow. 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 Some of these little babies got bad hair. Well, actually, all of them. Check this one's out. I'm not sure, but I think this is Kitty. Look, Kitty. Look. What about your hair? What about your hair? These little suckers keep picking on me. There is nothing on me for you. Hey, what you doing? Ooh, what about it, girlfriend? What about it, girlfriend? What you doing, little break dancing in my feet? What the world? They all having a lettuce party. Yeah, they all having some lettuce party. That little boy, he liking it. That little Pepper, he likes it. Yeah, he think that'd be good for him. Oh, God. Oh, that's not lettuce. That's Romeo. I guess I need to go feed poor old. That's the little chicken eater right there. That's Mama's dog. My Mama's dog who passed away and gave her to me. And there's a little crazy Maggie. But Josie, she'll eat a chicken in a heartbeat. You got a little bug over you scratching? Come here. Come here. Oh, she's so cute. She's a cute girl. Are you a cute girl too? Chickens won't stand up. This one right here, she kind of protects me. She gets between me and old Richard every so often. Well, the horses are kind of hungry. What y'all doing, babies? Oh, look at this. Now, Richard, look at that. He tried to get me. You do not want to get this. And let me tell you, he was coming around this to get me. Stop it. Gone. I got over in here earlier, and I didn't have my rooster deterrent. He's still thinking about coming over here after me. Hi, babies. What y'all do? There's old Nook. How you doing, man? And old mean girl. She's so mean she gets out in there, sweetie. She's a good girl. See, here's my little one that follows me all the time. What are you doing, girl? What are you doing, girl? Oh, she's so pretty. Yeah, I know. That one right there is loud all the time. Let's see if I got any eggs. Eggs? No. 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 Well, great, girls. Frying pan for y'all. I'm just kidding. I was worried that all this was going to go away because it has poured down rain. Oh, look. Look in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs in there. That's not going to work for me. I do not want to climb in there. Let's go see what's going on over here. What's going on? I hope you don't get some diarrhea. You eat all that lettuce, you love to get diarrhea, boy. You think you're going to get diarrhea? No, I love it. I love it. They've made a mess. Let's go see if we got any eggs. Oh, here he comes. He is following me. He's determined to get me. Hot dog, look at that. I got 8 eggs today. That's in the rabbit pen where Miss Kitty likes to lay. All right. It's not sunny today, but it's not cold. So I'll consider this a pretty day in Mississippi. Okay, little boy. What are you thinking about it? What do you think about it? Oh, oh. Don't be picking my fingers. Oh, oh. You're so cute. You're so pretty, Richard. Yes, you are. Look at little Tweet. That's my little black-tailed Japanese banty. Yes, I know. Lord have mercy, that girl's hair is really bad. Come here, little girl, let me show your face. Move on, Richard. Oh, my goodness. Y'all are pitiful. I'm going to try to sit down right here. But these girls will want to get on me, and they're so bad. Look at this one's hair. Oh, my word. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. What you doing, Stump? She's the one that doesn't have any tail feathers. What you doing, Stump? Oh, so cute. All right, I got my little menagerie here. I guess I'll go and sit in the hunting stand with Bob. Few more days left. Wednesday's the last day. Can't get to spring if it's still deer season, so. Hey, baby, look at your hair. You're awful. You awful, girl. You're looking so bad. Having a scratching attack. There's all the pretty horses over there. All right, well, I'm going to go. I really thought we'd have fun with the lettuce bowl. Ow! But not going to happen. So there you go. Good evening, and this is all for today. Bye-bye.